Welcome to Mr. Wallen's neighborhood. We'll be doing location 2, the Mogollon Rim, cocktail number 2. I'm gonna do a Sotol cocktail. This is pour Siempre Sotol. If you don't know what Sotol is a cousin to agave. So it has kind of a similar vegetal flavor profile, got a smoky characteristic, but really it's its own thing and it's beautiful. The next thing we're gonna use is Lazzaroni Amaretto. So Amaretto is almond liqueur, has an almond flavor profile to it. 3/4 of an ounce. My wife got me a pineapple for something else I was doing. I juiced it, now I got some pineapple juice, best to make use of it. 1 ounce pineapple juice. Then I'm gonna use some pomegranate grenadine. This is from Giffard. So grenadine originally was made from pomegranate, and so this is a traditional style grenadine. Not overly sweet, it has a nice acidic quality to it. Also gonna use a 1/2 ounce of this. And then of course I gotta put my citrus in there, get the acid to back this cocktail up, and we're gonna use lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. We're gonna add some ice. Get my shaking gloves on. I'm just kidding, it is actually pretty cold out here. And shake. Ooh, it's gonna be a beaut. All right, here's our cocktail glass. And I'm actually gonna add some crushed ice to this. And we're gonna top this bad boy off with some pomegranate seeds. Pineapple for good measure. Break that bad boy in half. And voila. Cheers.